Hey explorers, ever feel bored doing the same dull thing? Instead of saying tedious, here are five sharper ways to express it. Monotonous, lacking variety and becoming boring. His job was so monotonous it drained his energy. Dull, lacking excitement or interest. The movie was too dull to finish. Laborious, involving a lot of time and effort. Filling out the forms was a laborious task. Repetitive, the same thing over and over. Data entry can feel repetitive after a while. Mind numbing, so boring it feels like it shuts your brain down. The lecture was mind numbing and dragged on forever. Don't let your speech be tedious, spice it up with smarter words. Subscribe more.